Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we got some beautiful tour ready for you. We are in front of Canggu Hype Suites, which is something between guest house and co-living space.
Co-living,
would you say?
yeah.
We are in central Barava, which is very close to the center of Canggu. Basically, we do have an amazing rice field.
Look at this.
In front of the property. As I said, we are in front, so here is a little scooter park. Let's go inside and have a look. Right guys, so we are in the property, and as you can see, this beautiful swimming pool.
Oh, that's nice.
Straight in. I like there is a lot of greenery over here, which is not very usual for a co-living space. It's not usual for a guest
house,
right?
yeah, even
So
for
much
hotels.
green. Right, let's go inside. Let's have a look.
Look around.
Okay, so what we just found out from people working here, they do have actually a restaurant right here. So few chairs, you can order breakfast, you can order lunch, you can order dinner as well. It's basically a full-on coffee shop right inside the place where you live. Isn't that amazing?
That's a great extra.
So cool.
Yeah.
Let's go to the kitchen. So as we mentioned, this is co-living space. There is a common kitchen. People who live here are sharing. This is two-floor guest house, two-floor co-living space.
Yeah.
Let's start with the table right in the middle. Let's go this way. So very important, they have a drinking water here. Not everywhere you do get a drinking water, so this is big plus. Actually, two
of them, even better.
Yeah. Two fridges, and this is large.
That's really good.
American style fridge, which is always very useful.
Yeah.
Kitchen seems fully furnished. We're not going to be opening shelves because there are people living here and we don't want to dig into somebody's stuff, but it looks fully equipped.
Yeah.
Do have a microwave even, which is very unusual in the Bali as well.
Blender.
In the guest houses. Somebody's blender here.
Yeah.
It's very nice. I like those details on the cactus.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's very cool.
And look at that, what's that?
Shisha.
Okay, so you can actually smoke a shisha for you.
Yeah, and this...
Just look at this table, wow.
Would you not like to have a breakfast here?
Should I take a seat?
Yeah.
I'll let you take a seat as well.
How is it?
It is comfortable. It's comfortable.
To sip on a beer or wine or something, coffee.
Jump quickly in. I'll take over. Go quickly in.
Oh.
That's such a cool place.
Yeah. I would spend my days here.
You can be chilling and eating at the same time.
It's really
Right.
very
Let's move on. Guys are definitely curious what else do we have here. Guys, in the end of the video we have a massive surprise for you. There is part of this place which is absolutely unique and you need to see it, so stick around.
It's a highlight. Yeah.
It's absolute highlight of this place. Let's go to the swimming pool area.
Okay.
So obviously you do have a few
5 loungers.
5 loungers, sunbeds. You do have enough of sun. Actually, it's middle of the day and still you do get enough of sunlight, so this is definitely a big plus.
Yeah. Okay.
In front of each room, you do have those seaters over here. I believe in front of each one, which are really comfortable.
Egg chair.
Yeah.
Should we go to the room?
Yes. Let's go slowly to our room. Actually, this is not our room. This is just the room we are having the tour in and taking you guys with us. Let's go.
Okay.
So as I said before, those seaters, hanging seats or whatever it's that called.
One for each
In
room.
front of each room, which is absolutely super cool. Also that green in front of the rooms.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Right. Let's
Okay.
have a look inside. Cool. From this point, Alina will take over for a little bit and she will show you the room around.
Okay.
Right.
So that's the entrance.
Welcome to the cribs.
to the room. We've got a massive
Bed.
wooden soft bed.
Yeah, it looks very comfortable.
Yeah. Desk, working desk.
Working desk. In the
Yeah.
previous place we didn't have a working
Yeah.
desk. So for anyone who works from home or who works who is a digital nomad, perhaps a working desk are very useful.
That's
as well.
very beneficial. Drinking water.
Yeah,
Storage. I think some storage space.
some simple table, yeah.
TV, mirror, AC. Very
Yeah.
important. Wardrobe, I would say.
Yeah, it is kind of open,
Yeah.
storing space, storage. Yeah, it's minimalistic.
The safety box, very important as well. Bedside tables, made
Yeah.
of the, how is this called?
Wood. It is a wood. We don't know what kind of wood is that.
Yeah, beautiful lamps hanging above, and big bed.
Yeah,
That's all
yeah.
you need.
What else do you need in a
Yeah.
room like that, especially in Bali? You
I
don't
like-
need. Yeah, what do you
Yeah,
like?
I like that it's very light,
Yeah,
bright, and airy.
Yeah.
You feel it like it's not
I agree.
too hot here.
yeah, I agree.
So
I agree.
let's have a look on a bathroom. Bathroom,
Spacious.
spacious, large, bigger than the previous one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at
With-
that lamp. Wow.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So nice.
Yeah. So, standing shower with some cactus elements.
Very cool.
They've got a open roof, little bit covered, which is good, so rain doesn't get in.
Yeah.
They've got some body wash shampoo provided,
Yeah.
big sink,
Very big sink.
and hair dryer and storage space.
Yeah. All of that seems very new.
Yeah,
And
decent size.
Generally, this property is very new development, so I think they opened not even a year ago.
Yeah, it feels fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Let's go outside and let's show you a little more of this place. Let's go upstairs.
Yeah.
Second. Okay. I'll
Okay.
take over from
Yeah.
this one.
Okay, so we need to go to the second floor.
Yeah. So let's go this way. Right, we are at the floor number 2. So we came from downstairs up the stairs, and look at the space. I love the fact how green it is. It's very unusual
yeah.
for a development like that, and all those details in this place are simply stunning. It literally lives to its name, Hype.
Yeah,
It's Hype in
yeah,
us.
it's a pure
Hype is it.
description.
Somebody was smoking shisha. over
Again,
there as well.
yeah. That's the view down. Oh,
Beautiful.
look, it's even written in a pool, Canggu Hype. See?
Yeah, definitely a hidden gem.
Really good place.
Let us know in the comments down below, guys, what you think about this place.
Would you stay here?
What are your thoughts? Would you stay
Yeah.
here? Would you stay here long term? Are you able to live, or would you be able to live with quite a bit of people around in such a place?
Is it worth?
Is it worth? Yeah. And this is the surprise, guys. So you have quite a lot of common space downstairs, but upstairs you have completely different zone.
Even more of space.
So more sunbeds, more cactuses, more green. I love details of a road. It is
Yeah,
really nice, really cool.
good style.
Those beds, I
Ooh,
suppose you can chill during the day.
yeah, day bed.
Day bed
That's what they call it.
over. They actually have a bit of
Coverage,
above, so yeah, literally sun doesn't go through.
rain
Let's go more.
as well.
Here we are, 3 extra tables for your breakfast, for your coffee.
This seems like a perfect spot for breakfast.
This is super cool. Do you want wanna swing a bit, I'll take over from
I
here
like
again.
swinging. So good.
Yeah.
You can feel the wind.
And we're running in with the tide.
As you can see over there, this is a swimming pool number 2, so you have a second swimming pool on the second floor. We're not gonna have a dip in. There is some lady enjoying herself, so we don't want to bother anyone.
And look at these things.
Look at these things. Do you think I can go there?
Yes, sure.
Right.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
hope.
Jump. Jump. You don't look very sure.
100% sure.
How is it?
I don't have too much of a use for it, and it's definitely interesting.
You can put
And I can relax here.
you can put pillows and blankets, and then it will be much nicer, I think.
Yeah, it's definitely a feature.
Yeah,
Okay.
and it would be great for photo shoot.
Yeah.
Come back.
Right.
Okay, so that's the pool.
We've got a few more of the, what is that?
Bean bags.
Bin bags, yeah. Right guys, let's talk about prices now. So we talked to the reception. You can get this place for a night, you can get it for a week, and you can get it for a month. Night price is around 400,000 Indonesian rupiahs, which is just under $30. I believe it's $28 actually. Week price is 2.6 million, which is around $180. So that's per week. And then you have a monthly price. You can actually have a stay here for on a monthly basis, and that's 6.5 million, which is around $460, $70 per month.
But that's the basic room.
That's the basic room.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, on the bottom you do have
Over there.
those basic rooms you've seen, and on the top, those rooms sometimes have a bathtubs, and they are a little bit bigger, but equipment is pretty much the same.
Yeah, they look the same, very similar.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments, guys, how do you like this place, and let us know what properties would you like to see. We are happy to do more tours like that. What do you think, Alina? Should we do
Yeah,
more?
yeah, I'm excited for it.
Right. If you have any questions or anything else, again, leave a comment. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and we see you in the next video, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.